Hey guys, Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Ram, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2018 Ram 3500 Laramie, so let's take a look. Up at the front of this one, you have your color matched bumper with your color matched grille. You have park sensors on your bumper as well as your tow hooks. Coming underneath the hood, you have your 6.7 liter Cummins. Along the side of this one, you have 20-inch rims, flip up tow mirrors, proximity entry on either side, as well as your cab length running boards. Coming into the back of this one, you have the color matched bumper. It has your built-in park sensors. You're set up for towing with your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver. This one has your backup camera. And now we're gonna check out the front. Up in the front of this one, you have your black leather seats. They are heated and cooled, as well as you have your heated steering wheel. Lots of storage in this one in your 2 center consoles. You have some cup holders here, as well as a spot to hold your phone. You're gonna have 2 glove boxes in this one. And then you're gonna have your touch screen. It comes equipped with your navigation. You can also control your heated seat, your heated wheel, and your cooled seat. You can take a look at your backup camera and your cargo camera. The cargo camera is great for hooking up a trailer. On the steering wheel itself, you're gonna have your hands-free controls and your cruise controls. You also have your power folding mirrors, so it's just the push of a button. They'll fold in and out. You're gonna have your trailer brake control on this one. You can control your park sensors and your exhaust brake. Coming up to the top, you're gonna have your power sliding rear window control, your universal garage door opener, and your sunroof. And now we're gonna check out the back. In the back of this one, you do have heated rears. You also have an armrest in the middle here that folds out. It has 2 cup holders in it. You're gonna have 2 more cup holders down here. This one has lots of storage, back your seat pockets and underneath your floor mats. Lifting up the seats, you have a sub on that side, as well as these pieces that fold out flat. For yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.